Hello Canvas users, this is Marie Henderson. As you can see here, I've fleshed out a few more things on my course homepage, but I want to show you a couple of more features that are available when you create pages, and then also make sure that your homepage actually ends up on the front cover of your Canvas course. So I'm going to go back in here and edit this page and show you how to use the links feature for both text and images. So if we highlight some text, similar to how we did earlier when we were linking it to a page or to another item in the course navigation, we also have the option right here on the toolbar to link to a URL. So we've got the text highlighted and we click this link to URL icon. So this allows me to link my text to any website URL. One of the most common links teachers make in their Canvas course is actually to the Canvas calendar. We'll learn more about how the Canvas calendar works later, but for now let's just learn to link our course to it. So I've actually already got the URL open on another page, and when you go to the Canvas calendar by clicking on the calendar icon in the global navigation bar, the URL actually includes today's date, but we don't need that part for our link, as we want it to go to the current date at any time a student takes the link. So I'm just going to copy this portion of the URL and I'm going to go paste it back in over here in Canvas and then click Insert Link. And I can do the same thing for this image. So I've linked the text and now I'm going to do the same thing and link the image and click Insert Link. It's just as easy though to link to an external website. So maybe there's resources at the Library of Congress that I want to get linked to text or image in my course. Again, if I click on the image and I go over to the URL I want to link to, maybe it's this Declaration of Independence resource on the Library of Congress website, and I copy that URL and I click the link to URL icon here on my Rich Content Editor toolbar, I can paste that one in instead, Declaration of Independence, and then update the link, and now this image is going to go over to the Library of Congress resource. I would of course want to correct and have both my text and my image go to the same place, but you get the idea as we demonstrate how all of that works. Alright, so now I'm going to click Save. And I want you to see how easy it is to incorporate a YouTube video into your Canvas course as well. I'm actually going to do this one over on that chapter resources page. So I found a video that corresponds with the chapter 1 information over here on YouTube, and I'm going to copy that URL and I'm going to edit this page. And you may have noticed that in the toolbar for the Rich Content Editor there's a YouTube icon. So if I get a new line of text here, and I click on the YouTube icon, I can paste that URL into the box, the one that I copied from YouTube, and almost always it's the first video to show up. Sometimes you'll end up with a couple of options, but it's usually easy to tell which one you wanted. And then just click the Embed button here, and it actually pops your video right into your page. The nice thing about that is instead of linking over to YouTube itself, where you might have ads along the side, or you might have some information that you don't want students to be distracted by, when you embed the video into your Canvas page, none of that is accessible. Alright, so we've embedded that video, and if I click Save, it's going to show right here on my Canvas page, and they can actually play it right here in the browser, or if they're using the Canvas app on their iPad, it'll play right there inside of the app. Okay, so last but not least in this video, we need to make sure our home page is actually out on the cover of our Canvas course. Right now, still, if you click Home, the default is still showing with those module options. So I'm going to go back here to Pages, and then select the 3 dots here at the end of the row for my home page, and there's an option to Use as Front Page. So I do this part first here in Pages, and make my home page the front page. Then I go back to Home, and in the menu over here at the right, I have an option to choose home page. So I click that, and then you'll notice that Pages Front Page with the name of my home page is an option, and I can select it and click Save, and now my home page will load here on the front of my course. All right, as always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thanks, and have a great day.